choose anything other than physics, honestly. Boils down to that.
Why is that?
As a person, nothing else feels satisfying. You know, they're all just like, do this to get this, and this is the only major that's like, here's why.
Well, I've got a little bit longer story.
We have time.
Good. So I got a bachelor's in history back in 2011, and I ended up working as a manager in a grocery store, and didn't really do much of that. And so I wanted to get back into science, and I thought physics, just because that's the hardest one, in my opinion. You know, biology, chemistry, definitely hard and very applicable, but physics kind of encompasses all that, I think. And so I thought, okay, I want to do this. How can I do this? So I came and talked to Dr. Hall and Munoz, and they said, okay, well, come to Fresno State, and we'll let you apply as a master's student, and then you can take all your undergraduate and then start the master's program. So that's what I'm doing now. That's why I chose Fresno State. Like in high school, I never studied math or science much, but I was really good at it. My dad always said, you know, you should pursue it. I think you could find that you'll like it. And just unfortunately, we've discussed this a lot, just the way math and science are taught in our educational system is not great. So if you can just get through the classes and then maybe kind of develop the interest on your own and then pursue it, that would probably be good. That's kind of what I did.
I remember I hated math until calculus.
Yeah.
Really?
Like, math was all just like, here's this static thing, this line is this ratio, and these things equal this, and it's like, this is the way it is. And then calculus is just like, okay, here's all these factors, and here's how they change with respect to each other. And then all of a sudden it like flipped. It flipped from just like, this world exists only on paper, and the real world is nothing like it, to this is the real world, and here's all of how it works. And if you know this, you can predict everything. And if I could give advice to any student in high school, it's basically just work harder. Work just a little bit harder, and it'll pay off so much more.
Brilliant.
And try to realize what you're actually doing, other than just like, okay, you know, I'm trying to solve for X here. Okay, well, I got to subtract, you know, one number from both sides and do this and this and this. Don't just go through the steps to go through the steps. Realize what the goal you're trying to accomplish with doing a problem. It gives it a little more meaning and not just some abstract nomenclature.
The answer is so much less important than the process.
Exactly.
The context.
Oh, that's sound advice.
Yeah.
What about future plans?
I'll go first. Well, so I'm still a master's student, and so I'll be starting my graduate work next fall. And then I have maybe 2 years to complete it. I want to get this traditional master's just because this kind of is the genre that I really want to pursue my studies in, I think. I did have an opportunity to go up to Oregon to their applied master's program, but I kind of felt like transitioning into engineering, which isn't quite what I wanted to do.
Right.
So I'll be staying here and getting my master's, and then either I really would like academia, so whether I do community college or high school, that'd be good maybe. If not, then a PhD program possibly.
My plans are a little bit fluid right now, as in there aren't plans, but I've solidified the fact that I'm taking a gap year. You know, I just want a little space, a little like cool down, recharge, and then maybe during like the fall or the spring, I'll try and get an internship in some laboratory. Lawrence Livermore would be great. And I really think I want to go to graduate school for plasma physics.
Brilliant.
Like, that seems like one of the coolest areas of research right now, and one of the biggest problems facing the world, right? You know.